We have more water on the earth than we do land, so naturally, it was about time someone came up with the idea of a houseboat, a house on water. Some of these gorgeous living spaces are small in size, but they're built so well that you won't even notice. What's more, they're much more affordable than regular houses, which is always a plus. Then it comes to the factor of customization, which is unlimited when it comes to houseboats. So here are a few that we picked out for you to see. You are watching the Interesting and Creative Designs channel, and we're taking a look at incredible houseboats, homes on the water. First off, we have the legendary houseboat by Status that really leaves behind any house on land. Starting with the driver's seat, which already looks comfortable enough that the driver can spend all their time here. In total, this houseboat has about 4 large bedrooms, and since it's the deluxe model, it's all perfectly furnished. Moreover, it's the maximum size that's legally allowed on the water, so you best believe it's big enough to fit all your stuff. The master bedroom has beautiful cabinets that go along with the rest of the boat, and the bathroom has mosaic tiling that makes it seem like it's a regular fancy house. If you thought that was it, you'd be very wrong. On the upper floor, there's a little deck where the sun falls just right. And it also has multiple seating areas to accommodate any guests you might want to have over for your houseboat warming party. Let's not forget the full-size kitchen with marble shelves, a fully functional fridge, and an oven. As for the water system, it actually comes from the body of water it's floating on. However, it's filtered before it reaches the taps. Basically, this is like any other house, except you will always have the best view out of your windows. Next up, we have the ultimate houseboat by Isca Moamma, which is actually a luxury houseboat. Let's be honest, with 5 bedrooms, each with a king-sized bed and LCD TV, would you ever need to leave this place? The best part is that the beds can be split into 2 full-size single beds, so that they can accommodate more people, more couples, and families of all sizes. Sure, you're on the water, but no luxury houseboat is complete without a jacuzzi on the deck, and with a view of the beautiful lake. Thankfully, each room has a huge window to let in enough of the minimum requirement of natural sunlight. Moving into the dining area, which also happens to be in the open deck, it has enough chairs for even your extended family to join. Other than that, the houseboat has not 1 or 2, but a whole 10-person spa with molded headrests, hydrotherapy massage seats, and of course, an LCD TV, because no spa day is complete without Netflix. With such neat finishing and so much fresh air, you might just have to live here full time. Now, let's talk about the Dutchcat Boathouse. Not all boathouses need to be luxurious or huge. Some of them are made to be vacation spots, or a place where you can run off to when you want to relax. This orange-colored boathouse is made for that exactly. It only has 1 main sitting area, but even that's enough to accommodate about 10 people. And since there's a minibar built into it, no one is going to get bored. Other than that, it has an open deck and stairs that lead into the sitting area. The stairs have lighting underneath, which is a very small detail, but it's enough to show you that the manufacturers really thought out the whole design of this houseboat. Lastly, the Dutchcat is one of the few houseboats that have a competently changeable layout. You can literally change the whole layout, including the kitchen and the sitting area. And then you have the windows, which might seem ordinary like any other, but can be opened with a whole 360-degree view. As for the doors, you can fold them up and let the beautiful sun in. You can adjust them by sliding too, to maintain a good temperature inside. Since this vessel is only 55 meters long, it doesn't take up too much fuel or electricity to power through, making it more friendly to the environment. What else? Well, the Dutchcat is a very simple boat. Even a child could navigate through it, making it very user-friendly too. Next up, we have the Bravada Yachts Upgrade, which is an 80-foot vessel customizable from top to bottom. The Bravada series has been attracting more of a crowd since it's replacing the boxy and stiff boathouses with ones that are more flexible and equipped with smoother curves. Along with that, it has a reflective surface on the outside and some orange accents to make the whole thing pop out even more. It's not just the exterior that's impressive, its interior is actually more of a sight. It has a fire pit, dual kitchens, both with Samsung appliances, and the most unexpected feature is the 16-inch water slide built right on the boat. This just goes to show how creative and authentic the Bravada Yachts designs are. Moving on to the upper deck, which has a custom outdoor feature, built-in daybeds, and even a TV lift. All in all, the boathouse actually has 10 LCD TVs in different places for all those movie buffs. Since Bravada gives you the most luxurious experience, it has an advanced water filtration system to ensure every drop is clean to the last atom. Bravada is actually taking custom orders for the upcoming years, so you know where to go if you want a houseboat that'll impress your neighbors. Here we have the Sunflower Houseboat by Thames Solar Electric, which, like the name implies, is a fully solar electric powered wide beam boat. Since it was handmade to the last rod, it took Thames about 3 years to finish it. This company specializes in making products that are 100% free of diesel, which is where the Sunflower comes from. It's full to the brim with futuristic, eco-friendly features, such as the rainwater harvesting feature and even a waterless composting toilet. The addition of the extractor fan in the bathroom will save you tons of money on aerosol air fresheners, which are once again not so eco-friendly. The fan will keep your bathroom away from any sort of nasty smells. The eco-friendly aspect of the boat doesn't interfere with the exterior of the boat. In fact, its huge glazed windows let in light more than any other houseboat we've mentioned. Moreover, it's wider than a regular wide beam since it's 13 feet in width. This just makes the vessel livable full-time, as opposed to other vessels which are mainly made for occasional use. So if you decide to live in the Sunflower, just know that you will absolutely have no fuel bills to worry about. Our last product is the MX4 by MOAT, which is a company trying to manufacture more eco-friendly yet premium class vessels. The MX4 has one of the most elegant designs in the whole market, with its authentic elevating LCD TV and beautifully furnished sitting area. Through glass walls all around it just give it that much more of a dramatic appearance. You can easily read, paint, or whatever it is that you enjoy the most. No matter how fancy your living space is, the bathroom needs to be the cleanest and tidiest, and MOAT truly gets that. That's why they have a simplistic yet sophisticated restroom. Even their sinks and taps are incredibly sleek. Next up is the kitchen, which already has a fully functional oven and ready-made cabinets for you to fill it up with lots of junk food and snacks. However, the real showstopper is the master bedroom, with a full king-size bed, a small nightlight, and a connected bathroom. This one even has a shower and multiple cabinets to store all your decorative towels. It even has a window with an automatic blind curtain. Its split level is a great addition since it creates a nice terrace where you can enjoy the view while also being able to steer properly. With this boathouse, you can even choose an option between a dynamic or a static boat. The dynamic one will have the ability to move around with its propulsion system, whereas the static one will be built just right to stay in one place. Now what do you think? Which of these houseboats would you like to have? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and check out our other videos if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for even more interesting and creative content, and hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with our latest uploads. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.